how to connect Autods to eBay. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to connect your Autods in eBay in two different ways. So the first way is to connect it as a store. You can do that by clicking on Add Store over here, and you will be able to see that there is an eBay option over here. Simply select this, click on Continue, and get the specific plan that you need. After entering the specific or after paying for the specific plan that you need, you will then be able to log in your eBay store account into Autods, which then you will be able to now utilize the different features and like import different products. You can also add products from eBay by simply entering the URL over here of an eBay product. As you can see, eBay is one of the options as a supplier source, meaning you could also get products from eBay and import that into whatever store that you're connected to. You can even import it to your own store if you like. So like you have a store from another person, you import their products into your store, just like that. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.